stack web series. So I will teach you that how a full stack web develop, like how it's a full stack journey. So we can start from basics, which are front end, and the front end we have to first of all understand it how systems work, like HTML. So I will teach about HTML. So HTML is a programming language. It's also known as hypertext markup language. So what does it mean and how it's work? I will I will tell you. So basically, it's a hypertext means what? It's a written here something called. I will like show you. Just give me a minute. Yeah. So if you go any site, like I go for a YouTube. Okay. So if I go on a YouTube and search, so sorry, let's give another website. So let's give a something called Kolkata. Okay. So yeah. So it's something like right here. Whatever you've written here, it's all the HTML. Whatever you've seen here, it's all HTML. Like this one is HTML. This is HTML, 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 HTML. This is also HTML. This one, how it's organized, it's also not HTML. Whatever you're doing, it's all the you can see that there's written here something, or a link or something called audio or photo. These are all HTML. That's are belonging to HTML only, and I will teach you that how HTML basically works. So let's create a file, and first of all understand that how systems work. Okay, so there is something called if I go to the website. Okay, so let's take example of PW. Okay, if I click on PW, here you can see that it's not acting like when I type PW, it's not acting me on like on the PW website. It's acting me a link which are related to PW, like this one, PW, this, and this one, how the PWs are, all these files. So if you want to go on that PW file, you have to click on this. So you are entering on the Flixwala, and this the whatever you have seen here, like this logo is HTML. Okay, so this when you see the cursor, then when cursor is going pointing, it's a click. So it's on click some features we have added in there, and whatever you seeing it here, like written here with their bit of upscaling, it's all HTML. So okay, so understand it. And what is this? Whenever you go to their website, it's written in something like fees for slide course. So it is written only on the HTML, okay? And it is a and they it's called a header, okay? Uh, yeah. So let's begin with our topic. Okay, I will. So first of all, let's create a file. Okay, let's create a folder and take a name as first. Let's take first HTML. Sorry, what? Just give me a guys. It's HTML. Okay, so this is HTML folder. Now I go into that folder and open the VS Code. Then click on file, then click on new window, then open the folder. So what I can say where next, yeah. So this one is HTML file. Select folder, open it. Yes, I trust the author. Okay, so now we have created this is something. Okay, we have seen. So first of all, you have to like add some extension that is called live extension. Live live preview. This one you have to install it. Okay, then you can click on this one. So whenever you click on this one, you have some options are showing here. It's file folder and it's refresh and it's like collapse folder. Okay, so don't click on any one of this, just click on this one, file. You can call it any file, like I can call this as index dot, but remember that in the end of the dot, after reading the dot, you have to put the HTML dot HTML, because it's create something called this one, and this is the program of HTML. You can put out here something like just give me a minute. You can put out here something whatever you want to do, but after it's always be dot HTML, because we're getting HTML file. So in HTML, after writing HTML, there is something. So if we are currently using HTML5, so when I click on HTML5, it creates something like this one. Okay, so let's understand all this stuff. So this one is HTML. Okay, uh, okay. So first of all, if you want to see that whatever you are written here, just give me a minute. Okay, so let's write. Hello. Okay, so hello everyone. So please, so it's printing a hello world. So I will show you. So this is called. Okay, so yeah, this is called doc type. Okay, if you have written or not, it doesn't matter really. But you are just using HTML, so it's a pre-built function. So I will suggest you to don't delete it. Okay, just read through it. So what after doing this something called HTML lang en. This is the meaning of language. So it was written on a language English. Okay, so you understand. And there was head section. Okay, so head section is also like whatever you want to head. It's a header section, and header section we have called meta character UTP. So these two lines belongs to a like if you write some code on your laptop without this two one, okay, so you should able to run properly. But if you share some this like the same code to the other person, that person have a other device like they have a Mac and you have a Windows, so it's not compatible on both the devices. So that's why you have used to these two. So it's take like automatically space on the display and show properly that whatever you've written here has got or same to same on the Mac also. So that's why we are using these two. Okay, and next we have a title. It's document. So its preview document are a feature, so you can just write anything you want. But I would suggest that whatever you are working on a project, just write their name. Like if I take, so we are just writing HTML. So just write HTML. Okay, so HTML code, something like that. So write whatever you written here now. Okay, just see whatever written here. I just getting in this place. Okay, just see whatever written here. Just give a eyes. If I add server also, see here it's adding server. Okay, so it's depend upon you that in what project you are working on. So and for always remember that it's working on only this one. Okay, so you are just like typing here and showing here without any saving the file. It's show here, but it doesn't work all the time. And in this one, it's work all the time, but some features are doesn't it doesn't work. So you have to understand that whenever you see a small circle, it means the file is not saved. So you have to save it. So for saving the file, you have to just press the Control S and it will save the file. Okay. So that's all the HTML. So like we have this one. Okay. So I will teach you about what is H1. So this was a head. So it's a starting of head. Okay. So head means whatever you have written here. Okay. This one is this is called title. This is written here, and this is all the you can say head files. Then we have a body section. Body means this one. That whatever you written here, it's come all the on body. Okay. Body only. And there was this starting of HTML, and this is called ending of HTML. Always remember in tags we have a paired and unpaired. There are two types of tags, paired and unpaired. Paired means have a pair, like something I will write here P, and P means what? It's a paragraph. Okay, remember that P is paragraph. So we have also like ending tag, which is like this one, but and it's called just give a minute. Okay, so if I write something like this, it's a pair. Okay, okay, it's called a pair. It's called paired. Okay, and something like this one. Just give a minute. Yeah. So if you write just br, it's mean break the point. Like it's break a point. So it doesn't have an end. So you can say it's unpaired. This have an end like this slash one, but this doesn't have an end. So this one it's unpaired, and uh, and this is called comment. Okay, so whatever I've written here in the green section. So just delete it and understand the other topics. So tags, I will understand that what is tag. Tag is nothing. Tag is whatever you written like this one. Sorry, this one is tag. Okay, angle bracket is known as a tag, and there is also some tags like mm, uh, what I can say like h1 tag, h2, h3, h1 to h6. H1 is the highest use, and h6 is the least use. We are in HTML, and I will show you how the all the six are working. And they will also have a tags like image, audio, video, and BR, as I said, that is break. And okay, so I will teach you all the ones like line by line. So it's first of all start with PR. Okay, so if I start with P, okay, so if I start with P and I write something here paragraph. Okay, P means paragraph. So let's write. It's a it's called a dotty paragraph. I something like this one. Okay, I just followed it, but something like that. Just you have to write this first word and it's automatically written all the steps. It's a long word. Okay, so don't remember only. But see, like how this one work. Like what is the there is also a difference on P and PRE. Okay, so I will teach you that how P work and how PRE works. Okay, so as you see that when I increase the size, it's automatically take the space, complete desktop space. As you see that how it's converted in two lines. Okay, so it takes space as the space is getting. Okay, so this is P. It's take full display length. Okay, and there are another tag which is called as I say PD. Okay, so it's called PD, and in this tag, if I just take hello. Okay, and I'll just take a break on this one. Okay, and I take hello. So it's a free tag, like it doesn't repeat. As I said that here is repeating all that stuff, but it doesn't repeat. It's a single line code, and it's called PD. Okay, so the next one is our something called image. Sorry, H1. Okay, so there is H1 as I select. There is total H6 subjects. H1, H2, then something called H3. It's come to H6 only. Okay? H4 and also H5, H6. Okay, so first of all, let's take hello. See how it's long. Okay, slow. Same word printing in all stuff and see how it's getting slower. Like hello, hello. So this one, see the difference between H1 and the S6 is the heading one. How the bigger this one and this one after this one that how we're getting really small, then small, then small, then small, then very much small. So what is H1? H1 is the heading. As you see that when I go to a website only, okay. So like I say I go to something called PW. So this see this. Okay. So yeah, this one. This is written in H1, okay. So this is called heading. Whatever you written here, something called H1. Same thing I written here. Okay. This is called H1, H2, H3, H4, H5, H6. So that's all about H heading tag. And the next one is something called image. So I will teach. I will learn how image works. So basically for image SRC. So just give me that. In image, you have to add image here. Okay. So let's go on file and insert some image. So let's image this one. So you can see and HTML, just paste it. Now go back and so yeah, image src. And what is image? It's a ING means image type, src means source, where the file located, and you have to locate with dot slash. It's so the all the like photos which are having in your folder. So logo.png, just click on it. Yeah, how see how it's work. Okay, so you have to also add OLT. So if someone is access your website and they doesn't have a network, have some network issue, so it doesn't load the forever website like forever image, but it shows that what's the image about. So you have to write logo. Okay, so understand people that if it doesn't get any image, it's also understand that it's a logo. Okay, something some logo. So that's about image tag. Okay, so next about audio. It's the same thing that how audios work. I don't have anyone's audio, but yeah, I will teach you like how audio works. I will tell you. It's audio. Okay, then same thing. So you have to put your like path, and you have to enter something special. That is called controls. What does it does? It's like here. Okay, so you have able to click. You can see the timelines. You can see the playback speed, how much you want, just for entering this control. Okay, so it's important. If I just click it on, you can see. Okay, without adding the audio, I just able to see this one. Okay, it's doesn't have any audio file, but you can see just writing after control how you can get something like this one. That's how controls work. Okay, so next one is video. Video is also say the same thing. Okay, it's work on the same way. Just you have to add video, something or video src, and you have to add controls, and it's add a video, and that's but you can't. But you have to add a video for that. So and after adding our video, it will show this the same thing on the and the title of like it's at the below of the video. And that's all about tags. Okay, so I will teach you like I will. So today we understand the tags, something called h1 to h6, that is called h1 means heading. So all are headings, but it's starting from h1 is bigger than small, that's not that small. We have only six tags on it, like for heading it's a paragraph. If you want a break line, so you just want that after like 10 heat, you just want to break down the point, and you have to print out in this below. Do nothing, just come here and add br means break point, so it will break the point and return here. Okay, so that's how it's work. So yeah, for today that's enough. So we can meet on the next new video, and I will teach another topic. Like we can continue the series of HTML. After completing HTML, it's take almost 5 to 6 days. So after completing HTML, we begin with CSS. So thank you guys for having patience and watch my videos. Have a nice day, guys. Bye bye.